Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through this fault code here. So P0441 EVAP Emission control system incorrect purge flow. Now if you're getting this, very much doubt it. You may not lose power, you may just get engine light. If you are losing power, to be fair, it's a tough one, but in reality when you get that fault code, it's just engine management light, and it goes back to this sensor here. This is known as the purge sensor. It's literally plug and play. If you ask me, I would probably change it myself. In other words, nothing crazy. Get OEM, get manufacturer, get the same part number and just change it over. It should be plug and play, but what I would recommend is when you do change it, it would be best to do a diagnostic scan and clear. Otherwise the engine management light will probably still be on in that case. This is the part number. This is you can get it on eBay, but make sure it's OEM and genuine, because I know aftermarket it may not work and you may still get the engine management light, and the fault code will still be stored as permanent.